Hey everyone, wanted to give you an up-close look and a demo of how I use this rust converter primer paint. This is everything that comes in the box, so it comes with a brush and some gloves for to use, and then you've got the rust converter itself. I use this on the metal gate around my house anytime I start to see that rust build up on certain spots, but you can use it on any kind of metal where you're getting rust and you want to make sure you put a stop to that rust and convert it into like an area that's more protected that you can either leave with that black primer or you can paint over it with whatever color paint you're wanting to use. Super easy to apply with the brush that it comes with, or you can use your own brush depending on your needs. If you need a smaller one or something like that to get into corners. Once you have it on there, it's gonna stop the rust instantly, which is the main benefit of this, where you're not going to have that spread of rust as it kind of eats away and corrodes at more and more of your metal structure. It does a really good job adhering to the metal, makes it easy to put it on and not have to worry about it dripping off or becoming a big mess. And then once it is on, it is UV and weather resistant, so it's made for outdoors and will hold up to the different temperatures or weather that you can see outdoors. After a couple hours, you can see it's already dry to the touch and looks really good on this spot where I did it at. This is the spot where I didn't do it. So even if you are, not able to apply it to the full bit, it does blend in pretty decent as far as if you're just looking for a regular black paint. Like we talked about before, you can use this as a primer, obviously. So if you needed to paint it a different color to match something else, you can paint on this afterwards. 24 hours later, everything looks great. Now, if I wanted to apply a second coat, I could. Everything is completely dry. But for me, this looks great to me. I'm really happy with the results. Yeah, so if you're looking for a rust converter paint primer, I'd really recommend this option. Just great for touch-ups on my iron fence like I showed you, but also perfect for your bigger projects, anywhere you've got rust on metal and you want to get that cleaned up looking good again.